Cotton and textile industry. After iron and steel industry, the industry that developed in India is cotton and textile industry. India made a great progress in cotton weaving in ancient times. A type of cotton cloth that is known as muslin was made in Bengal, which is now in Bangladesh, and sold at the rate of gold. The real beginning of modern machine-driven cotton mill became in this part of India from 1854, when the cotton mill were established in Bombay, in the heart of cotton growing region of India. We know that any factory is being settled in places where the raw material is got in abundance. So cotton mill was first established in Bombay. Today, this industry is the largest single industry of the country. And with the development, cotton industry have also depended in factors like raw cotton, chemical, that is caustic soda, chlorine, bleaching powder, dyes which are required, fresh water, machineries, power sack, etc. Location of cotton industry, how it is done? It is done according to the zone where cotton is going, raw material is available easily. That is western zone, southern zone, eastern zone and northern zone, where cotton mills are established as cotton is available. The cotton mills in the western zone, it is in Mumbai. It is known as there are about, sorry, not it is known as, it is known as that there are about 235 mills are there in this zone, and main center with 50, Mumbai, which is the main center, have 50 cotton mills. Apart from them, Pune, Jalgaon, Solpur, Kolhapur, Nagpur, Amravati also have mills. Why cotton mills are established in Mumbai? Because this was the first mill of the country and raw material was available. Next, port was located where you can sell out your raw materials or sell out your product outside, send your product outside, or you can bring machineries inside. This industry got the local supply of raw material as well as the cotton that was imported from other countries. The port helped in export goods and import other things. Industries development. In the beginning of the industries development, export of yarn to China and Japan was done. That was the causes why this industry was settled in Mumbai. Mumbai port, on the other hand, was the west nearest to Europe, as is in the western part of India. It has convenient to import textile machineries and from Lancashire, and also coal from Cardiff, and that is Wales, Britain, and Natal in the South African days. The development of hydroelectricity in the Western Ghats provided cheap power after 1900. Local labor was available as labor was required. Now, the humid climate of Mumbai was favorable for spinning cotton and making yarn. That's why industries were set up there. Apart from this, the Gujaratis, Parsis, they were ready to put their money to settle up industries. Next, roads and railways also opened in the interior market of the country, which made it possible to settle up cotton textiles in India. After the First World War, this industry have developed a lot. After it is Gujarat, where 125 cotton mills, textiles mills were settled up. Ahmedabad itself has 71 cotton textile, and that's why it is known as the Manchester of India. Now, why in Ahmedabad cotton textile is being settled up? Because here cotton growing regions in Gujarat provide them cotton. Before partition, cotton was available from Sindh also. Now, after partition, it is not possible. Skilled cheap laborers were available from the nearby agricultural areas. Merchants and businessmen provided lots of money and capital to establish industry, Ahmedabad was well connected by roads and railways to the other parts of the country. Power supply was done from Ankleshwar, Ukai, Dhuvarna power stations. These are the reasons why this part of India had cotton. Ahmedabad was known as Manchester of India.